Today, I'm going to be talking to you about how to find the best blog topics that people want to know about. There's a lot that goes into it, but don't worry, we have tips and tricks to help you along the way to find the best ones and the best fit for you. Thanks so much for watching this quick lesson on how to find blog topics that people are interested in. This is just the tip of the iceberg, but it pays to do your research before you write the content to make sure that what you're writing about is what people want to know about. If you have any questions, head over to our website at southstreetmarketing.com.